Do you have tiny hair strands that are weak and prone to breakage? Are you looking for something to strengthen your hair, to nourish it, to thicken your hair strands, thicken your hair and give it some shine, give it some strength? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can prepare a good deep conditioner that will be both nourishing and hydrating for your hair, keeping your hair soft, shiny and strong to withstand breakage. So many of my subscribers have asked me for this video because they want to join a protective style challenge I am in now, and as I explained in my previous video, one of my previous videos, I'm going to put that video up somewhere here. In that video, I explained that before you put your hair into a protective style, it is very important that you nourish it and strengthen it before that protective style so that it can withstand all the elements, the stress of the protective style and come out of it strong enough. So I had to just share this video with you. Now guys, this video is not going to be, I'm not going to be filming the preparation of my DIY. I'm very sorry for it. I am going to do so very soon. I am not actually in my house. I'm not in my home. I am on a trip. So since I know you really need this to start to get on the hair journey, that's why I decided to share with you at least the ingredients that you will need, and then you can prepare this DIY. When I go back home in about a week or two, I'm going to film how I prepare this conditioner so that you will see it for the next time. But if you have all the ingredients as I'm going to show you in this video, you can prepare this conditioner at home. Just follow the steps as I will explain in this video. Now if you see me looking down from time to time, I have written down some notes, please, so I don't forget what I have to tell you, so that I don't miss out on any ingredient of this conditioner. So the first ingredient that I use for my conditioner is avocado. Avocados are very good for our hair, so you need to have a good avocado, that is one that is sufficiently ripe, soft, and it should be green in it. So you take this avocado. What I do with it is that I pass the avocado after pressing with a spoon. I pass the avocado in a sieve to make sure that I don't have those particles on my hair, as I have explained in this previous video, guys, about particles for aloe vera. Is the same thing for your leave-in conditioner. If you use these ingredients like this without sieving them, then you are going to have a lot of product left in your hair after you wash your conditioner, and removing these products, I guarantee you, will be very difficult. So I'm helping you in this video, telling you what you need to do to avoid stress. So the first thing I said is avocados. You need avocados. I can't tell you the quantity. The quantity will depend on your hair, the amount of hair you have on your head. So for me, this length of hair I have now, for my hair, I use at least 2 medium-sized avocados. They are enough for my hair. But if your hair is shorter, just one medium-sized avocado will be enough for your conditioner. So just go with this measurement. Now after the avocado, the next thing is bananas. Bananas are also very good for our hair, so I do the same thing. 1 or 2 bananas depending on the length of your hair. For me, I use 2 medium-sized fruits, banana fruits. If your hair is thicker than mine, if it's natural and it's really thick, you can go up to 3 bananas, but I think maximum will be 2. Sometimes I use 1.5. It depends on the amount of hair you have on your head. So if you do this conditioner and you are left with you have a leftover of it, no problem, you can just put it in a good container and keep it in your freezer for the next time you are going to wash your hair. So after avocado and bananas, I add into the conditioner egg yolk. So you break the egg, separate the white from the yolk. You use just the yolk. So if your hair is just like my hair, two small eggs are enough. Two egg yolks are enough for my hair. If yours is shorter, then just one egg will be okay. You add it into a bowl. So all of this, you are mixing them in a bowl. A glass bowl is preferable. So bananas, I said, avocados, bananas, and the egg yolk. Those are three ingredients. The fourth one now will be fenugreek. I explained in one of my videos, my previous videos, the video in which I show you how I wash my hair and prepare it for this protective style. In that previous video, I explained how I use fenugreek to strengthen and thicken my hair and also for shine, and I add spirulina too to it. So now guys, I will plead with you, if you can go online, just search on videos on how to prepare fenugreek and spirulina, how to use them for hair growth. What I do is that I prepare the paste like spirulina. I make the paste aside and I sieve it, then I add the paste into my conditioner. Same thing with fenugreek. I prepare the paste separately and I take a quantity and add into my conditioner. So I promise you guys, I'm sorry, when I get home, I'm going to film a full video on how I prepare this conditioner. But if you do what I'm saying, then you are going to get maximum results from your conditioner. Apart from fenugreek, spirulina, I also use honey. I add a tablespoon or two of honey into my conditioner. Honey is very good for moisturization, to soften your hair, moisturize it. So add honey to your conditioners, please. And the last thing that I add in this conditioner are butters. So in my video on how I prepare my hair for my wash days, I told you what the oils that I use and the butters for my pre-poo. So what I do is that the rest of those oils, I add them into my deep conditioner. So I add a little bit of that mixture of oils and butters into my conditioner. Hydrate my hair, because if you just use the other ingredients without adding anything hydrating, then your hair is going to come out of this conditioner very stiff, since there's a lot of protein in this conditioner. So to soften the hair, to make it really soft, I add honey and the oils and the butters too, to keep it well hydrated. So these are the ingredients I use for my conditioner, guys. These ingredients, if you don't have one of them or two of them, don't make it a problem. It is not a problem. If you have 2, 3 of these ingredients, just use them and your hair will be fine. When I started my hair journey, I didn't have products, guys. I didn't have products at that time. It was during the COVID-19. It was in 2020. I started my hair journey at the end of 2020. We were in the COVID-19 period. So it was difficult to find many things. We were indoors. So I didn't have many ingredients to grow my hair. But my hair could grow to the length where it is today, because I use just the ingredients I have. So for your conditioner, you are not obliged to use all the ingredients I mentioned here. If you have 2 or 3 or 4 of them, then that will be fine for your hair. So what you can get around you among these ingredients, just use it and your hair will be fine. Just put your hair in this style and your hair will be okay. Don't forget to wash your hair before you apply the deep conditioner. Your scalp and your hair should be clean and free from any dirt, to be ready to absorb all the benefits of this conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner is, as I said, nourishing, both nourishing and hydrating for your hair. So after you do this, go ahead to blow dry your hair or you air dry it and you are good to go for your style. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel and hair tips like this, of interest to you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. It goes a long way to promote this video to other people who may really need these tips. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.